Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I clean my silver. I'm going to be cleaning this bracelet. As you can see, it looks very discolored and it's got a horrible brown tinge to it. So I'm going to be using this cleaner by Hagerty. It's one of those pots that you just dip your silver in and it does an amazing job. With this cleaner, you just need to dip your silver in for 2 minutes. That's what the instructions say. But I always do a little bit longer. So for my bracelet, I'm going to do 4 minutes. After giving the jewellery a shake, we're just going to leave it to sit for 2 minutes. Like I said, I've done 4 minutes and the 4 minutes are up.